Well, guys, it is official. I am here in Orlando. Well, technically I'm in Winter Park. I just got my first chiropractic assignment, trainment. I'm forgetting words. I'm on cloud 9 right now. I'm down here to check out I almost said Iranius. I'm telling you, I'm on cloud 9 right. I can't even speak. I'm here at the Ravenous Pig. I've been hearing about this place. Last night when I was working at the brewery, a guy from Orlando was like, "You got to go to the Ravenous Pig. So amazing." I got to eat because I've only had 2 bananas today. So, hi, my name is Gabriel Manic. I'm an actor and I'm starving. Okay, well, things are a little fancier today. I'm here in Winter Park, Florida, and I thought this place, the Ravenous Pig, was going to be, I don't know, if you have a brewery, it doesn't seem like it's going to be hoity-toity, but it's hoity-toity, but in all the best ways. The aesthetics of this place, the brew house, and the bar is awesome. I just got out of my chiropractic entrainment session. Dominic, who knows, maybe Dominic will be on the channel. I have no idea. I have ideas, but we're going to try to get Dominic on the channel here so that he can tell you about network chiropractic care, because this stuff, I'm telling you, I'm on cloud 9 right now, and I haven't even had a sip of beer. I'm feeling amazing. So thank you, Dominic, if you're watching. Dominic told me that he's been here before, and he's had the duck. I think the duck à l'orange, so the orange duck. How many orange ducks have you seen besides Big Bird? So I decided to get something a little different because the price point here is pretty high. Not for a starving actor. I know I did that bougie video once, but that's because I was with a great looking person and a friend, and I'm alone right now. Today, right now, here. There's no one in the seat. So I decided to get the crispy pork belly, which, look at this. Look at that right there. This is wonderful. It's got watermelon, hot honey dip stuff, and pork belly. I don't know. This is, like I said, I'm not used to the hoity-toity stuff. The pork belly looks fantastic. Yeah, pork belly, watermelon, hot honey, and cornbread pudding. So that's got to... I don't know where the pudding is. Who puts pudding and pork belly together? I would not think of it. But who knows? Maybe it's phenomenal. And I shouldn't be prejudging at all. So it's great because I'm right by this window and there are people staring at me. So they're like, ooh, who is this guy? He's got a tripod. He must be famous. 1,000 subscribers, baby. Look, I even got really nice napkins. This place is phenomenal. Look at these are great. I don't think I've had anything yet really with the silverware. So let's try the pork belly. Let's try that first with the honey. Well, ooh, that is fatty. Look at that. Look at that. That is wonderful. I don't know if it comes through comes through very well. There you go. Nice. I got some of that hot honey on there. First bite's the one that counts when you're starving. Sorry, I have a beer here too, so I'm getting confused. Wow. Okay. This hot honey thing, getting a little bit of, like, I don't know if you can see, like some of this like oil on there or sauce. Kind of reminded me of buffalo sauce. And mixed with this hot honey, this is really good. Wow. It's got a nice crunch. It's got a very nice crunch. Some fat right in there. Very crispy. You're getting a lot of crispiness from the edge, but not too much. It's not dry. It's fatty. It's juicy. And when I say fatty, it's a fatty. It's really, really good. So let's see what this watermelon is going to taste like. Apparently it's fresh local watermelon from wherever the watermelon farm is. Do they have watermelon farms in Florida? I guess we got the train. The train's passing by. Okay, so watermelon right there, you see? Some with that hot sauce and a little bit of crunchiness. Let's see. Wow. There's a little kick. Yeah, there's a little kick. The watermelon is really juicy. It's very watery. This is phenomenal. Honestly, when I read the description of this, it's $14, which is pretty good. Pretty good for, a place like this. That's actually a reasonable price. So, and this is definitely a date spot. There's a woman over there right now with some guy on a date. He's, he looks like, button down shirt, maybe no tie, probably a nice watch. Look what I got. She was giving me really nice eyes, really sweet eyes. So sometimes big money's not all, especially if you talk big money, it's not everything. Confidence, baby. All right, anyway, I'm on cloud 9, like I said. Okay, so honestly, this was phenomenal. This was really, really good. For a pork belly, I've only done the one by Smoke and Honey. This one is very, very different. Oh my God. I'm gonna give it an 8. I'm gonna give it an 8. I don't remember what I gave Smoke and Honey. Both really good. Very different styles, especially with the glaze that's on it. This is phenomenal. So we're doing a bonus review because they have a beer garden out back that way. Since I was having watermelon, I decided to get their, wait, hold on. It's on this side. I decided to get their Larder Melon. I have to say it that way because otherwise, Larder Melon. Is it? Wow. Is it a beer that has melon and lard? I don't think so. So just Larder. Maybe it's a lager melon, but it's a golden ale brewed with local watermelon. So local watermelon in the dish, local watermelon in the beer, and it's 4.9% golden ale. So first sip's the one that counts when you are thirsty, and I am. Oh, it's really laid back. Check out that color. It's really, really nice. That's nice after a long drive. It took me about just under 7 hours to get here, and what an experience. This is the first review on the East Coast food tour, which is also a beer tour. Instead of doing two separate ones, hey, two birds, one stone, right? And how are you guys enjoying the channel? I think I'm really gonna have to start incorporating dogs, because the dog videos are doing so well on the shorts. I need a dog right next to me right now so that he could have some watermelon, some pork belly, take a sip of beer, and then he could let me know what he thinks of, his own score. Can dogs score? Do they know how to score? I have no idea. But man, this right now, what I'm feeling, I feel freedom, peace, calm, being relaxed. And that was just one sip. Yeah, I really hope I get to get Dominic on the show. We'll see. It's a tight schedule with him and myself because I'm so important. But if I can get him on one of the next reviews, you guys got to hear about him and what he does. Phenomenal stuff, and it'll change your life. It's changing my life right now. So this beer, the Larder Melon, for a nice golden ale brewed with local watermelon, that's really good. So golden ale, I'll give it an 8. That was not English. I will give it an 8.5. 8.5 for this Larder Melon. So guys, if you live in Orlando, which hopefully you do, and if you do and you're not subscribed to the channel, what are you doing? What are you waiting for? This channel, it's gonna become bigger than One Bite Pizza Review, because that's just pizza. You got beer, you got all kinds of different delicious foods, you got dogs, you got so many, you got skits, you got motivational speeches, all that kind of stuff. It's all there. So subscribe to the channel. I'm having a great time. This is so good. And yeah, just have an amazing week, and sometimes just take a chance. If there's something you've been wanting to do for a long time but just haven't found the time, guess what? Right now is the time. So make those things happen and watch your life change. The burps have begun. I gotta finish this. I'll see you on the next review.